The AI gold rush. Startling earnings you won't believe. Did you know that some people are quietly raking in thousands of dollars each month using AI? It's true. The world of AI side hustles is booming and the earning potential is staggering. Imagine earning passive income while you sleep, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. It's not a pipe dream, it's the reality for many savvy individuals who have tapped into this incredible opportunity. In this video, we'll demystify AI side hustles and show you how you can join the ranks of those earning significant income on the side. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. Side Hustle Revolution AI makes it easy and accessible. Gone are the days when side hustles required significant upfront investment or specialized skills. AI has leveled the playing field, making it easier than ever for anyone to start earning extra cash online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for ways to boost your income, AI side hustles offer a flexible and accessible solution. With AI, you don't need to be a tech whiz or coding genius. There are countless user-friendly tools and platforms designed to simplify the process, even for complete beginners. The struggle is real common roadblocks to online income. Let's face it, earning money online isn't always a walk in the park. Many people struggle to find legitimate opportunities, while others get bogged down by technical complexities or lack of clear guidance. Some common challenges include information overload. The sheer volume of information available online can be overwhelming, making it difficult to separate fact from fiction. Technophobia. Fear of technology can hold people back from exploring the vast potential of AI-powered tools. Lack of capital. Traditional businesses often require significant upfront investment, which can be a barrier to entry for many aspiring entrepreneurs. AI to the rescue. Tools and platforms that break barriers. This is where AI comes to the rescue, offering innovative solutions to overcome these common obstacles. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to adapt and leverage technology is crucial. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer that can transform the way we work and live. AI-powered tools and platforms streamline the process, making it easier and more accessible than ever to launch and monetize your side hustle. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or small business owner, these tools can help you achieve your goals more efficiently. Here are a few examples. Let's dive into some specific tools that are making waves in the industry. AI video creation. Imagine creating stunning videos without ever picking up a camera. With AI video creation tools, you can produce high-quality content effortlessly. These tools use advanced algorithms to automate the editing process, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. Tools like InVideo use AI to automate video editing, making it incredibly easy to produce professional quality content. You can add effects, transitions, and even voiceovers with just a few clicks. This not only saves time but also ensures that your videos look polished and professional. YouTube optimization. Platforms like VidIQ leverage AI to analyze your YouTube channel and provide actionable insights to improve your search rankings and attract more viewers. By understanding viewer behavior and preferences, you can tailor your content to meet their needs and grow your audience. Content automation tools like TubeMagic harness the power of AI to generate engaging social media content, freeing up your time and energy to focus on other aspects of your business. These tools can create posts, schedule them, and even interact with your audience, making social media management a breeze. These are just a few examples of the many AI tools and platforms available. The possibilities are endless, and the technology is constantly evolving. As new tools emerge, they bring even more opportunities to innovate and streamline your workflow. With so many options, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your skills and interests. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, improve your content, or simply make your life easier, there's an AI tool out there for you. Embrace the future and let AI help you break barriers and achieve your dreams. Cracking the code. A simple strategy for AI side hustle success. While the specific strategies may vary depending on your chosen niche, there's a simple, effective framework for success with AI side hustles. First, identify your niche. This is the foundation of your side hustle. What are you passionate about? What excites you and keeps you motivated? What skills or knowledge do you possess that you can share with the world? Think about your unique strengths and how they can be leveraged in the AI space. Next, choose your AI tools. The right tools can make a significant difference in your productivity and the quality of your output. Research and select the AI tools and platforms that best align with your niche and goals. Look for tools that are user-friendly and offer robust features. Then, create high-quality content. Use your chosen AI tools to create valuable and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, or any other form of content that suits your niche. After that, promote your content. Content promotion is crucial to reach a wider audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other channels to get your content in front of the right people. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build a community around your content. Finally, monetize your audience. Explore various monetization strategies such as affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or running ads. Consider offering premium content or services for a fee. By following this simple roadmap, you can systematically build and grow your AI side hustle. You'll be well on your way to building a profitable and sustainable AI-powered side hustle. Remember, consistency and persistence are key. Keep refining your strategies and stay updated with the latest trends in AI to stay ahead of the curve. Real people, real results, inspiring stories of AI hustle wins. In today's fast-paced world, the power of artificial intelligence is transforming lives in ways we never imagined. From creating new opportunities to enhancing existing skills, AI is at the forefront of a revolution that is empowering individuals to achieve their dreams. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have harnessed the power of AI to turn their side hustles into thriving ventures. These are real stories of real people who have seen real results. Countless individuals from all walks of life have achieved remarkable success with AI side hustles. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement your income, AI offers tools and opportunities that can help you reach your goals. One inspiring example is Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who used AI video creation tools to launch a successful YouTube channel teaching busy parents quick and healthy recipes. Sarah's journey began with a simple idea and a passion for cooking. She discovered AI tools that helped her create professional quality videos without needing extensive technical skills. Within a year, Sarah had amassed a large following and was generating a substantial income from her channel. Her success didn't come overnight. It was the result of consistent effort, creativity, and leveraging AI to streamline her content creation process. Another success story is John, a college student who used AI-powered social media automation tools to grow his online following and monetize his passion for photography. John started by sharing his photos on social media, but he quickly realized that managing his accounts was time-consuming. By using AI tools to schedule posts, analyze engagement, and optimize his content, John was able to focus more on his photography and less on the administrative tasks. His side hustle allowed him to pay off his student loans and gain valuable experience in digital marketing, setting him up for future success. These stories demonstrate that success with AI side hustles is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. The key is to find the right tools, stay dedicated, and continuously learn and adapt. With AI, the possibilities are endless, and the potential for success is greater than ever before. So, what are you waiting for? Start your AI hustle journey today and turn your dreams into reality. Your AI side hustle journey begins now, no excuses. The beauty of AI side hustles is that they empower anyone to take control of their financial future. You don't need a fancy degree, years of experience, or a ton of money to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn, a sprinkle of creativity, and the right AI tools at your fingertips. The time for excuses is over. The world of AI side hustles is waiting for you. Don't let this incredible opportunity pass you by. Let's recap the key takeaways from our exploration of AI side hustles. AI side hustles offer an accessible and potentially lucrative way to earn passive income. AI tools and platforms simplify the process, removing barriers to entry for beginners. A simple, effective strategy can lead to significant success. Countless individuals have already achieved financial freedom through AI side hustles. Have you tried any AI side hustles? What are your thoughts on the potential of AI to transform the future of work? Share your experiences, insights, and questions in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from and inspire each other on our AI side hustle journeys. This video is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a wealth of information available online to help you dive deeper into the world of AI side hustles. Check out these resources to continue your learning. The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace the possibilities, explore the opportunities, and unlock your full earning potential with AI side hustles. Your future self will thank you.